Hello, hi everyone. Okay, today we have one kit to unboxing. So HG GQ series, the Challia red dome. I think this same as previous red dome, but maybe different on the colors. So we will do the comparison once finished. So this is a image here. So we get a action pose here, and then gimmick on the weapons. They got 3 legs here, articulate on the thrusters and the body parts. Also got a open hand here. Then this is a front and rear view. So we open and see what inside. So I think better put here. So I got manual side, and we have two runner D1 and D2. This is for armor, and because we have 3 legs, 3 legs armor here, they copy on this side, D1 and D2. Next we have same as leg armor, so like leg thruster inside the armor here. Also got 3 side, 1, 2 and 3. So E1 and E2. And then also these are inner frame part, C1 and C2 in here. And got G for bazooka weapons, and this what's the name here, heat saber, but just like silver color only. 2, and also runner F1 F2 for the leg part inside here, and this for the body, black color. And last we have runner B for the armor, and also runner A for the armor parts. This one hand and also leg, and here body part and some of the hand gesture. Okay, finish on the runner. So we have a sticker, so small sticker parts, and you see the menu. So the Challia red dome, this is a pilot here. The name is the pilot name specific. Then all the runner here we will use. So this is the head parts, and this is body parts. The arm is same left and right, just for the hand parts here only, and the position on the shoulder. So this is upper body, so the mono eye can move, and direct go to the waist. And then we have 3 legs, but for the knee and below is same for the 3 legs. And this one for the right leg, this is for the leg, this is below body parts, and the third leg is attached to the backpack. Then we also can move the leg like this and become 3 legs. And we have bazooka and heat saber. Then heat saber can attach to the shoulder, same as previous, and go like a gimmick here, cable, the yellow cable one. Cable, we cut half and we can do this. This is a giant bazooka, scatter beam cannon here, and heat saber, 2 heat saber. And this one is a Haken, electromagnetic Haken. And lastly the color guide. So we do the speed build and review for you later. Okay, thanks all for watching. Bye.